With so many WhatsApp accounts getting banned lately, some even by mistake, it can really be frustrating when your appeal gets rejected. So, if your WhatsApp account was accidentally banned and your appeal was rejected, I'll show you how to contact WhatsApp's special team, which can help review your account status. This method may not work for everyone, but I will also create another video with a different approach if this doesn't work for you, so be sure to subscribe to the channel to stay updated. Now, the method I'll be showing you involves appealing through a legal agency associated with WhatsApp, known as the WhatsApp grievance channel. To do this, follow these steps. 1. Open your browser and type WhatsApp Help Center. From the search results, select WhatsApp Help Center. On the Help Center page, you tap the three horizontal lines at the top. Depending on your device, they might be on the right or the left. Then navigate to Accounts and Account Bans. You click on this option, then select Account Bans. There, you click on the drop-down arrow and scroll to How to contact the grievance officer in WhatsApp India. If you don't see this option, that's because it is currently available only in India. Although I don't live in India, I had to connect to an Indian VPN for the option to appear. So, if it shows up, you click on it, and when the page opens, the first thing is to select the device you're using, whether Android or iOS. After that, scroll down to the Contact the Grievance Officer option, where you'll find a section that says, to contact the grievance officer, please fill out this contact form. So, you're going to click on the contact form, and you will be redirected to the WhatsApp India grievance channel. In the first step, when asked whether you are a law enforcement officer, select No. Next, you provide your phone number in full international format, the number that is currently accessible to you. Then, you also provide the number you are reporting, also in full international format. Next, select the issue you wish to report, which is my account has been disabled or banned for violating WhatsApp's terms of service. Then now you're also going to provide the brief description of your issue. Now for a higher chance of restoration, you should give as much detail as possible. I will leave a copy of what you can write in the video description. After that, then you go ahead and upload a screenshot of the ban notification by selecting Choose Files, which will redirect you to your device gallery. When asked whether you're a lawyer or a legal representative authorized to report on behalf of a client, select No. Then enter your full name, email address, and then agree to the submission by selecting Yes. After that, enter your electronic signature, which is simply your name in lowercase letters. After submitting everything, wait for an email confirming receipt of your information. So, if everything is approved, your account will be reinstated after some time. But if this doesn't work for you, I'm going to make another video and put it here at the end screen, and subscribe for more.